As we continue highlighting bond projects, we want to give an update on the upgrades to our softball and baseball fields. The first phase of the project was completed last spring. Here is a look at phase 2.
And we've always had a beautiful park here at Langham Creek.
We're doing 3 phases across the bond program for the baseball and softball fields.
I was excited because we had gone to many schools that had turf, and just seeing the turnaround time and allowing us to play is going to be better up. What that means for us is that we don't have to reschedule. And then the other part of that is that we don't have to come out here and work the dirt and the mud and try to drain the fields. It's so much more than people realize when you don't have to have back-to-back games in district or whenever.
It's important to invest into the community and invest into our kids. And this is just a great benefit for our students. It gives them the ability of practicing on what colleges have sometimes and having a quality facility to do that. And then too, it just allows us to have a great atmosphere for our community when they come watch our students play.
And then it's going to be so much better for all of baseball in Cypress ISD.